relentlessly pursued the group of spotted cats that otherwise posed no threat to them. An unfortunate female cheetah in heat found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time. Three male cheetahs following her were blinded by lust and an instinctive drive to mate. But in the battle to win the female's favor, one of them sustained a fateful injury. Having killed the female, the lions ruthlessly pursued any rival that might be a threat to their young. The second lion had already delivered a warning charge. The next would be fatal.
Whoa, isn't it incredible? I didn't believe it when I saw it through the viewfinder. And now look, the two lions are tearing that poor fellow apart.
No, it's incredible. It's just incredible.
He is using all his strength, that lion, to kill that cheetah.
He's doing a good job.
It was a rare, possibly never before seen inter-cat conflict. A ferocious feline fight to the death, captured on two different cameras.
Look how he uses his claws to lift up the neck and curl it in. He's grabbed him, he's holding him in such a position that now he needs to get the back of the neck. And once he does that, then he can snap its spine. But then the way that other guy came up and held on to the other end, that's like a gang attack on another lion. So they're obviously treating the cheetah like a dangerous animal. And they're not going to eat it, they just want to kill it.
The unfortunate brother was dispatched with ruthless efficiency. And the killers hadn't finished yet. Incredibly, it took yet another charge to convince the two survivors to retreat out of range. One of the lions then returned to the victim's carcass.
Kenya, famous for its big cats, the supreme hunters. Cheetahs specialize in hunting at speed. Though fast, they're fragile creatures built to sprint after small prey. They don't have the strength or weight of a lion to bring down larger animals. This male is different. He doesn't hunt alone. He's learnt that there is strength in numbers. But here, there are not just two, but three cheetahs. A band of brothers. They have changed their tactics and by doing so have taken their prey by surprise. They have learnt that, working together, they can bring down large prey. An ostrich, a bird that towers over a cheetah and is more than twice as heavy. It can't fly to escape danger, but it can lash out with a deadly kick. A female, unaware as yet of any danger. Even with 3 of them, this is still highly risky. If one gets injured, the other 2 couldn't hope to tackle such large prey. On the other hand, if they get it right, the rewards are huge. The male has spotted one of the brothers, but only one. It's not too worried. Then suddenly there are 3. The female is slower to realize the danger, and the cheetahs switch targets. It takes the combined effort and weight of all 3 brothers to bring down this powerful bird. Even now, the ostrich could land a fatal kick. So far, the brothers are winning. Ostriches have yet to find a way to foil such tactics.